selling.
Hey guys, it's Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. This is your ES Mini, Apple, Google. Should I start by the video saying all-time high and 52-week high in Apple and Google? Recap for 9/19/2012. What happened this morning? Let me get my data window up again. This morning we opened up. SPOOs opened up at 1455.25. We have the high or low within the first hour of the day. What happened today? We had the low at 1451.25. We got the housing data number, rallied up from there, sold back off, rallied back up. High of the day, 1459. Low, 51.25, 7.75 range. Not much to talk about. At the end of the day, we did sell off. We had these two bear bars on the 5. I'm not sure what the news was. We closed at 1454.25. Waiting on Adobe looks a little bit weaker in the after hours, and Bed Bath & Beyond isn't out yet. So let's look at our market profile levels. Market profile, point of control, and these work great today. I didn't take any trades today because I thought we were going to be in a trading range today. I like to trade trending days. But market profile worked very, very well today. Point of control, 1457.5. Value area high. Where did the sellers come in and put their hands out? 1459. Where do the buyers come in and buy the market? 1451.25. Point of control, it says tomorrow if we open above the point of control, anything's a buy. If we open under it, it is a sell. We have to know this is just supply and demand curves. Where did buyers step into the market? When did they say, hey, I want to buy the market? Where do they sell it? Market profile is the new wave of trading ES minis and trading a lot of stocks. And I want to know where do buyers come in and where do the sellers come in. Very, very easy, simple. Apple. So let's look at Apple on the 5. Apple opened up this morning. Had the low of the day. Oh, this is at 699.57. Actually, we got down to 699.57 was the low of the day. 700 seems like a line in the sand on Apple. Rallied towards the end of the day, sold off with the futures. New all-time high, 703.99 at $4 range, and Apple's pretty tight. Point of control, 701.72. Value area low, 700.75. Value area high, 702.75. So new all-time high in Apple. And I've been talking about Apple and Google. Two ways to play Apple and Google, long or flat. That's it. There's no shorting position. There's no buying puts. There's no selling call spreads. It is unbelievable how these are trading. And look at Google. Google-licious. And I talk about how every day for probably the last week we've seen the low in Google within the first hour. And the first bar of the day has actually been the low many, many times. So in Google, what happened? We opened today, low of the day in the first bar. Then it's straight up all day. 716.41 is the low. Higher, higher, higher. I was talking about the 727 level being very important. 728.56. If we go to the point of control, 724.20. Value area low. Value area low is 721. Value area high, 726.75. So in Google, if I had to back this up, and I'd have to look at like a weekly to see how high it could go. Maybe I'd have to look at the monthly. Google is just unbelievable. Since this is the highest level since the 07 top, I was looking at a couple levels. We took out the December 31 tops, the 724.80. We now have the 747 number to compete with. Ever since Google broke through the daily 680 candle, it's been up, up, and away. I talked about the 680 level, how critical it was. Try to test it. Found what is resistance becomes support, support comes resistance. So busted through 680, came back down, tested it twice to the downside, straight up. Google's put on $47 since then. Apple, iPhone came out, got down to 650, was it 656 I think it was? 656 half. Tested down to 656 twice. Apple put on a 50 spot. This is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Remember, if you want to watch me trade equity options, futures, and forex, real money, real time, you can email Greg at KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Thanks, guys, and we'll run it back tomorrow.